Are you someone who is passionate about mental health? Do you want to make a difference in people's lives? If that is you, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Care Pointers. It's Nesdori here, your virtual presenter. I'm here to share some really exciting news, and this is about a mental health support worker role in Wales. For those of you who are not familiar with Wales, it's located in the western part of the United Kingdom. The health boards in Wales specialize in mental health care alongside a wide range of other health services. Being mostly a rural location gives you the highest chance to land your job, while everyone else is searching in big cities. Before I proceed, I would like to thank my subscribers for supporting this channel, and to those coming here for the first time, please consider subscribing and joining our community. Back to the subject. What will you be doing in this role? So this role will be centered around providing emotional support, therapeutic assistance, observation and monitoring of patients' behaviors, moods, or health, including providing basic assistance. You'll also be involved in crisis intervention, and you'll be taught a lot of de-escalation techniques. Additionally, you'll be expected to collaborate with nurses, therapists, and other members of the multidisciplinary team. As part of the role, you also learn about key acts of law that govern mental health, for instance, Mental Capacity Act. So there will be so much to learn, and you get the training. The first job is the healthcare support worker role, and it's at Basic Adwalada University Health Board, and the closing date is 10th February 2025. This is the job summary. And the main duties of the job role, you can read all this here. And they've written something about the health board, which you can read about. There's a lot of information here. So if we scroll down, there's the job description and the person specification. It says experience, essential criteria. They want someone with experience of working with patients with dementia, and the desirable criteria, experience of working in an acute inpatient setting. So for knowledge or qualifications, the essential criteria is knowledge of mental health issues, and the desirable criteria is willingness to undertake NVQ level 3. So you just scroll down, and if you have those qualifications, you can apply for the job. It says certificate of sponsorship. Applications from job seekers who require skilled worker sponsorship to work in the UK are welcome and will be considered alongside all other applications. So it means that even if you are applying outside of the UK, you are welcome to apply for this job. Even people in this country, they can also apply, and you all be treated the same. And this is the address for the location of the University Health Board. So if I scroll up, it says this job was posted on the 27th of January 2025, and it's a band 3 job, and that's the salary, 24,433 to 26,060 per annum in pounds. And the contract is permanent. The working pattern is full-time. We should be looking for a full-time job. And this is the job reference. And if you need a detailed job description, you can download here, including the person specification. So if you are happy to apply for this job and you feel you have all the qualifications, you can go ahead and apply. Then I've got another one. This is the second job. It is saying healthcare support worker, Palsy Teaching Health Board, and the closing date is 9th February 2025. And there's the job summary, which you can go through and read. There's the main duties of the job, the about us. You can read about the health board. There's a lot of information there. The job description, job responsibilities, For the person specification, again, there's the essential criteria and the desirable criteria. For the essential criteria, they need someone with good level of general education. You also need to demonstrate knowledge of the requirements of the role. And for the desirable criteria, you don't need to have these qualifications, but if you have them, it will be good as well. You can still apply. And then for the experience, they need someone with experience of working as part of the team. And there's aptitude and abilities as well. You can just go through and read. And desirable, it says ability to speak Welsh, but it's just desirable. So you're also welcome to apply. And you can also read about the values. Certificate of sponsorship. So this job is also sponsoring as well. You can see it's written here clearly that it is sponsoring. So if you're applying from outside of the country, outside of the UK, you can still apply. You're welcome. I'll just scroll up and have a look. This job was posted on the 4th, and it's a band 2 role, and it's a permanent role, so you can apply for this job. And you can download some documents here, job description and personal specification. You can download the detailed documents for you to go through. Then I've got another job. If you're happy, you can start applying for this job. Then I've got another one here. The third one, it's also a healthcare support worker job at Quantafmore. I can't pronounce this name. It's a Welsh name. You can read here. It's a university health board as well. And the closing date is 11th February 2025. You can read about the job summary. They are looking for a band 3 healthcare support worker. And the main duties here, you can just go through and understand what they require from you. The About Us, you can read about the health board as well. They've written about their core values. We listen, learn, and improve. We treat everyone with respect. We all work together as one team. So just read the values as well. And there's a job description here, which you can read. Person specification, essential criteria, they need someone with NVQ level 3 or equivalent. And then it's knowledge, essential understanding and experience of working with mental health issues. So if you understand all this, you can apply. Desirable, they need someone who with an understanding of psychological models. And yeah, just read through, and if you think you have all the qualifications, you can go ahead and apply. And this job is sponsoring as well. You can see here it says certificate of sponsorship. Applications from job seekers who require current skilled worker sponsorship to work in the UK are welcome and will be considered alongside other applications. So this job is sponsoring. You can go ahead and apply. And you can also download the documents here, the job description and the person specification. You can download some copies. So it's a band 3 role, and this is the salary, and the contract is permanent, and it is full-time. So these are the jobs I wanted to share with you. There are a lot of job roles in these health boards. Just take your time and have a look at their websites. Thank you for staying with me to the end. And at this point, I would like you to keep applying for these jobs with these health boards. They always post jobs with sponsorship. We'll also leave the link in the description box below. So please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And Nesdore is ready to help. See you in my next video, and bye for now.